What's up, everybody? This is Juby at the Installation Center in Cleveland, Georgia, and I had a question about a 69 Camaro. So I got a 69 Camaro back here behind me, and I'm going to get straight to it because that's what you like. I'm going to get straight to this issue. His issue is right in here. He's having an issue getting this closed up from the side. When you get the side profile right here, it's sticking out. So I'm gonna show him how to fix this, and if you have this issue, maybe it'll help you out as well. To start off, I have a quarter panel over here that was laying out back. It's not being used. I kind of use it for video purposes. So first thing I do before I put my quarter up, or while I have my quarter up, is a lot of times this is real lazy, this bend right here, depending on which company made it, but they all have their flaws. This one here is pretty sharp, which is a good thing, but it's a bad thing for this video because I can't really explain what needs to be done. Right in here, sometimes this is really fat, so I take and cut a slice in it where it's fat there, and I hammer that piece in, and then I weld it back up, and I clean that all up before I put the quarter panel on, or while I have the quarter panel on. I'm going to go over here to the tail panel now. Alright, so over here I have set up this 69 tail panel, and I'm going to show you if the camera will focus, but right in here before I put the tail panel on, I always sand this with a die grinder. I always sand it down right here because sometimes there's pieces here that hold it off. And then I usually take this or a cutoff wheel, and I go in here and I sand this all down, all the way around. I bring it in to about an 1/8 of an inch, all the way along this edge. This allows this piece to go in because on the quarter panel, this distance right here is less than the distance on this. So if you trim this back, it's not going to hurt anything. Trim it back, and that gives you a lot of play in that area. So back over here, after you get the tail panel back on, and that's all trimmed, it allows it to lay down in there a whole lot better. And then right in here, it's probably still going to be sticking up, but get you a clamp like this, go in through the window, through the tail light opening, and just clip it, clamp it down right there in that corner, and it'll suck it up. Once you suck it up, leave that clamp on there until you get everything finished welding out. Sometimes when I clamp it on there, I usually take and drill me a hole or put me a screw in here. And later on, when my final cleanup and all, I take that screw out, leaving my clamp on, and drill that hole out and do me a plug weld right in there, and then smooth that back over. But usually I try to get a spot weld or a plug weld in this area, and it will help to hold it there. And then down on the bottom, once you get the clamp in there, let's see if I can get this thing to focus. Get the clamp on there. Before you clamp down here at the bottom or put a screw in, usually I put a clamp on it. I like to push in right here at the same time that I clamp down here, so it works all the extra out, all the slack in this. Push it in, put a clamp down here, put a screw in it, whatever. Usually if I put a screw, I like to drill a bigger hole than my screw. That way I don't have to worry about screwing into this and this pulling out and it pushing off of this until it gets this hole drilled. And I always try to put my screw at the edge of that hole, whichever the opposite of it pulling. I hope this helps you out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help me out, get the word out there, get my name out there. Also, I'd like to add that on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, live on my YouTube channel, I'm going to do a trial run of a Tech Talk Tuesday where you can ask me questions and I'll see if I can help you out. Might not be able to get to everybody's questions at the time, so leave a comment and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. Love you all. Keep building, and I'll see you soon.